A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Students, my name is Ali Haider and I am here to teach you Islamiyat. So, जो हमारा पहला चैप्टर है is about Quranic sciences. Our first chapter is about Quranic sciences. The first question is choose the correct answer. On your demand, I translate this book into English and I provide you the first chapter exercise in English so you may understand that exercise and also solve that exercise as well. Okay, so first question is about the most read book is the in the world is. So this answer is that Holy Quran. I hope you marked it. The next question is about in which month was the Quran revealed. So the answer is that Ramadan. Okay. The next question is about the epithets of the Quran show his magnificence. They show this magnificence. I hope you can mark it as well. Furqan means. What is meant by Furqan? Greater and greater, opener and revealer. You distinguish between right and wrong. Distinguish between right and wrong. What is right and what is wrong? The meaning of Furqan is what is right and what is wrong. It distinguishes between what is right and what is wrong. The word kala is indicative. The word kala represents our indicative. Indicate करता है. Warned about something important. Warned about something important. When our God has to force on some word or some teachings, so he used this word kala. Kala. ठीक है? The Arabic pronunciation is about kala. The Arabic pronunciation of this word is kala. Okay, the next question is about the next question gave a short answer. The Quran is a miraculous book refers to the Quranic verses. So for this answer, I have given you the two ayat-i-karima with reference and their teachings. Okay, challenges doubters to produce a chapter like the Quran asserting its uniqueness. Okay, so Suratul Baqarah's ayat and as well as Suratul Al-Asr ayat, and its teachings which our God gives to us are written in there. So you may write it on your notebook or must take screenshot as well if you want. Okay, the next question is about write any 5 names of the Quran. There are the 5 names of Quran with their meanings as well. Al-Kitab, the book. The meaning of Al-Kitab is the book. The Arabic pronunciation of this word is Al-Kitab. This means the book. Emphasizes its status as its writing in revelation. Okay. The next name is Al-Furqan. The next name is Al-Furqan. The Ceritarian highlights its role in the distinguish between rights and wrong. Al-Zakat and Al-Huda. The reminder, the guidance. Okay. There are 4 names. The 5th name of Quran is Al-Shafi. Al-Shifa, the healing, represents its ability to provide spiritual healing and comfort. These names illustrate different aspects of the Quran's significance in Islam. The third question is about what is meant by syllables. Syllables in Quran. What is meant by syllables in Quran? Okay, students. You must know that. You must know about that thing. This is just your exercise questions. I mentioned it with the start of my video that these questions are about your exercise questions. So you must take it that, or you must write it on your notebook, or you must take screenshot of these questions. Okay. So this will help you in learning, in reading you, or in preparing your exercise. Okay. So the third question answer is this: what is meant by syllabus in Quran? The next question is about what is the Holy Quran called a universal book? Why is the Holy Quran called a universal book? Because because Quran teachings covers all the aspects of human life. It guides us in every field of life. That is why the Holy Quran calls a universal book. In simple words, that is the basic significance. The wording of this I write in on this worksheet. You may write it on your book or notebook or take a screenshot. The next question is about what is difference between Makki and Madani Surah. Makki Surah. Makki Surah. Okay, the basic difference between Makki and Madani Surah, the surahs which are given to the Rasul. Okay, the basic difference between Makki Surah and Madani Surah is that the surahs which are delivered to Rasul on Makkah, these are called Makkah surahs, and the surahs which are delivered to the Rasul by God on any other place or Medina, so they are called Madani Surah. Okay, so that is the basic difference. The wording I write for you in this worksheet, so you may write it. Okay, the next question is about right detail. Okay, let me see. This is your last answer. Okay, okay. There is some little problem, so don't worry about that thing. Write detail answer to the following. The first question is write about the virtues and characteristics of Holy Quran. The virtues and characteristics of Holy Quran. I write it for you. All the characteristics and with headings as well. If you write like this in this style, you may get more marks in your exam. Okay, I hope you can understand it. Okay. In this way, there are many headings I created for you, and with their with their short explanation as well. Okay, the next question is about explain Asmaul Quran with reference to Quranic references. Asmaul Quran means the names of Quran. I taught you about Al Kitab, Quranic reference, Al Furqan, Quranic reference. I also referred to the Quran Surah Al Furqan, reference on this. Okay, Al Zikr, the reminder. Zikr means to read the book or to remember the book. Okay, with Quranic reference I given all the necessary material to you, so you may be able to read it and write it on the notebook, and you may understand it. If you have any confusion regarding to this topic, please contact me on, please send comment, please comment on, please send message in my comment box or email me, so I will resolve your problem as soon as possible. Describe the characteristics of Makki and Madani surahs of the Quran and also give examples. What are the characteristics of Makki and Madani surahs? I already have cleared that what is the difference between Makki and Madani surahs. The surahs which are delivered by God to Rasul on the place of Makkah, these are called Makki surahs, and all the other surahs which are delivered to the Rasul on any other place or Medina, these are called Madani surahs. Okay, I hope you can understand it. Okay, there are some characteristics of Madani and Makki surahs, so you may write it on your neat notebook or take screenshot. I scroll it down for you, and I made headings as well, so you may understand it. So this is the end of our video. In this video we cover our first chapter exercise, and for first chapter exercise his MCQs, his short question answers, his long question answers, and we will upload many many other videos in English as well. So our foreign students are those students who learn Islamiyat in English, so they will be helpful. So they will be able to learn it. Okay. So we take this initiative for you to upload this book in English as well. So I hope you can like this video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends as well and subscribe my channel as well. If you have any confusion regarding to these topics, please comment me on my comment section. Okay, I will answer you and will answer you your each question. And if you have any confusion regarding to this topic, so please contact me on my WhatsApp number. I have also shared that on my channel. Okay, so this is the all about this video. I hope you like this video. We will upload the second chapter as well in English. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. This is the end of this video.